Hi everyone. Today I will show you a best guide on how to set up a stop loss on Trading 212 in 2025. Let's find out. Make sure to watch till the end to get all the information. First of all, open a position by selecting the asset you want to trade and choose whether to buy or sell. Next, access the position by heading to the Portfolios tab. Select the open trade you want to manage. Then set your stop loss. In the position details, go to the Profit Loss tab. Here you can define your stop loss in one of two ways: by entering a specific price level that will automatically close your trade to prevent further loss, or by setting a maximum monetary value you're willing to risk on the trade. After that, you have the option to set a take profit. This allows you to close your position automatically once a certain profit level is reached, locking in gains without needing to monitor the market. Finally, review all your settings. Double-check your stop loss and take profit values, then confirm to activate them. Additionally, for CFD accounts, Trading 212 offers a trailing stop loss feature. This automatically adjusts the stop level as the market moves in your favor, helping you secure profits while limiting potential losses. And that's it. A simple way to manage risk and reward more effectively with Trading 212.